Hi there, I'm Divya from GrammarGuruPeedom.com. You are watching Grammar Guru Peedom Plus, our channel to help ESL learners improve their speaking and writing skills in English. If you're already fluent and can manage speaking in public, this video might not be for you. But if you feel that you have to improve your speed of thinking in English, this video can help you. Who is this video really for? If you know basic English but feel nervous speaking in public, this video is perfect for you. This video involves 3 steps. Step 1. You'll name familiar objects. This time you get is 1 second per image. Step 2. You have to complete the sentences that you see on the screen corresponding to an image. This time you get 3 seconds. Step 3. You will see sentences which have 2 parts with reference to images on the screen. One part of the sentences will be given and your task is to complete the other part. You'll get 3 seconds per each sentence. All the steps will have corresponding images and you have to create sentences that are strictly based on these images. Actually, you are just creating simple sentences. It's not the complexity of the sentences that matters here, but how fast you can create them. Or, in other words, you are testing yourself how fast you can think in English. If you're ready to join me in this journey, keep in mind the following 3 things. Stay with me till the end of the video because there is no use in watching only a part of it. You will understand better after completing each step. Be patient. You cannot acquire any skill without patience. Towards the end, you will be speaking English with more confidence. You will be translating less and you'll be thinking in English more. If you really want to benefit from this video, watch this video as many times as you need to practice thinking in English. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Step 1. You can create a simple sentence with the name of each object that you see on the screen. You can start your sentences with "This is a." Remember, you'll only get 1 second to think of the name and create the sentence. Let's start. Did you find the names of the objects that you saw on the screen and create sentences within 1 second? Great work! If you couldn't, don't worry, just keep practicing. Let's move on to step 2. Here, you will have to complete the sentences given with reference to the images that you see on the screen. Keep in mind, the time you get is 2 seconds per sentence. Let's begin. It's okay if your sentence is different from mine. Just make sure it's grammatically correct. Are you confused about whether your sentences were correct? Type your answers in the comment section. I can help you. If you found the video useful so far, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon with the all options selected. Now we are moving on to the third step. Here you'll see sentences with two parts with reference to the images given on the screen. Your task is to fill in the missing part. You'll get 3 seconds for each sentence. Let's start. Comment your answers in the comment section. If you want me to check your answers, I'm there to help you. If you'd like to get useful practice exercises like you're watching this video on mirror practicing to become fluent in English, watch this video. Learning adjective clauses will help you describe things in English like a pro. Watch this new video from our sister channel Grammar Guru Peedom. Link is in the description box. 1. Daily vocabulary tips. Join our WhatsApp channel. Link in the description box. For more English tips, follow us on Telegram and Facebook. And don't forget you can get free English resources at grammargurupeedom.com under the freebies section. Share this video with curious English learners like you. Like this video and subscribe to this channel and comment your suggestions and opinions. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.